Welcome to Cognos to Power BI migration. As organizations strive to unlock the full potential of their data, the shift from legacy platforms like IBM Cognos to dynamic next-generation tools such as Microsoft Power BI has become a strategic imperative. However, the real challenge is to efficiently migrate countless complex reports without tedious manual work. This demonstration will show you how to solve that problem. Using Kanerika's proprietary Flip Migration Accelerator, the entire migration can now be automated, converting a complex Cognos report into a fully functional Power BI dashboard in just a few minutes. Let's begin the demo in the IBM Cognos environment. Here we have a variety of reports, from simple bar and column charts to more intricate multi-page reports. Today, the focus will be on this migration sales report. It's not a simple chart and contains multiple visualizations like bar, column, area, pie charts, a world map, and list tables. Well, recreating this entire layout, including all the data connections and calculations, would be a significant manual project. But with Flip, this entire report will now be migrated automatically. Let's now switch to the Flip platform, which offers several accelerators to enable migration. After logging in, the first step is to navigate to the pipeline section and define the migration. Now, to set up the pipeline, we begin by choosing a name, Migration Demo. Next, the connection details for the source Cognos environment are provided, including the namespace, username, password, and server URL. Once the credentials are in, Flip automatically connects to Cognos and fetches a list of all available reports. Next, select the report from the drop-down that need to be migrated and submit it to start the processing. The Migration Accelerator delivers the output as a convenient zip file, which can now be downloaded and accessed via Power BI. The final result is a complete, multi-component dashboard, perfectly recreated in Power BI. What would have taken days or even weeks of manual work was completed in just a few minutes. So, let's quickly recap. Moving from Cognos to Power BI used to mean weeks of manual work, but Kanerika's Flip tool changes that by automating the entire process. It can seamlessly convert complex Cognos reports to Power BI within minutes. The result is a complete Power BI dashboard with all the original charts and data perfectly recreated. To learn more about how Kanerika's Flip can accelerate your data platform migration, contact us at www.kanerika.com/meet.